Again, a question from real numbers of class 10. Here we are given 3 bulbs, red, green, yellow. Red, green and yellow flash intervals 80 seconds, right? So red flashes at the interval of 80 seconds. And green bulb flash at intervals of 90 seconds. 90 seconds here, 80 seconds. Now the last one is yellow. Yellow bulb flash at intervals of 110 seconds. 110 seconds. Now the question is, all 3 flash together at 8 a.m. At what time will the 3 bulbs flash together again? Right? At what time will the 3 bulbs flash together again? When they will flash together again. Now, to find this, we'll calculate the least common multiple of 3 time intervals. We'll find out the least common multiple LCM. LCM of this 80, 90 and 110. Right? Find the LCM of 80, 90 and 110. So, what is the first we'll find out. To find out the LCM, first we have to find out the prime factorization, right? Prime factorization. Now, what will be 80? Prime factorization of 80. 80, you know that 2 raised to the power 4, right? 2 raised to the power 4 into 5. Right, children? 2 raised to the power 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 5s are 80. Now, 90. 90 is 2 is multiplied with the 3 is multiplied with the 2 is multiplied with the 3 square is multiplied with the 5. 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 5s are 90. Right? So the next one is 110. 110. How we can write the prime factorization of 110? That is 2, 2 5s are 10, 10 11s are 110. Right? Now find the LCM. Now take the highest power of all primes. Highest power of all primes. For the HCF, for the LCM, we are taking the highest power. For the HCF, we are taking the lowest power. Right? Now here LCM we have to find out. Now take the highest power. That is highest power of 2 raised to the power 4, 2 and 2. LCM, highest power is 2 raised to the power 4. Right? Out of 2 raised to the power 4, 2 and 2, the highest power is 2 raised to the power 4. Then multiplied with that. Now the highest power 5 and 5. The highest power is 5. 5 raised to the power 1. Right? Now the next number is 3 square. 3 square, only 1 3 square we are getting. So the highest power is 3 square. 3 square. No, the number is the 3 square. Now the last one is last prime number is 11. So 11, no other number is there. So we can write 11 raised to the power 1. So 11 raised to the power 1 is 11. Right? So 2 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 1 into 3 raised to the power 2 into 11 is 16, is multiplied with the 5, is multiplied with the 9, is multiplied with 11. The answer will be 7920 seconds. But at 8 a.m. 3 flash together, right? 8 a.m. Right? So we have to find out after how many hours it flashed together again. So 7920 seconds, we are going to convert it into minutes divided by 60. It is equal to 132 minutes. Right? 132 minutes. So we can say that the bulb will flash together again after 132 minutes. 132 minutes is equal to 2 hours and 12 minutes. 2 hours and 12 minutes. The answer will be 10:12 a.m. Answer will be 10:12 a.m.